Hello everyone, welcome back to another little Timmy video where today we are doing something different. As you can see, my most popular video by far is Link X Zelda His Theme with 4.4k views. I only uploaded it 4 weeks ago and so far it's doing pretty good. And I'm going to teach you how to make one of these videos, a ship video as I like to call it. I don't know if that's actually what it's called, but anyway, let's go. Okay, so wait. Are we still on the Google search engine? There we go. Now it's correct. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go into search on Pinterest. You are going to need a profile to do this. And I don't know if you can download it from other sites. I use Pinterest for mine. But you're going to want to search up Link X Zelda. Or whatever one you want. You could do Minda or something. I don't know. I'm just going to use Zelda for this video tutorial, and you're going to want to look for one of your favorite ones. I am going to choose this one for this tutorial, and you're going to click these 3 buttons here and click download image. That is why you need a profile. You can't download without a profile. Anyway, you're now going to go into your editing software. And you can see that I have some of the pictures already loaded in, and you're going to load in your picture, and then you're going to try to fit it into the box as best you can. If it doesn't fit in a good way, or doesn't fit correctly, you can use cropping to get the interesting parts in, like that. And then you're going to create another slide and drag in another picture you downloaded, and you just keep doing that until you have enough pictures. Now, what's enough pictures? Well, it kind of depends on the song you use. Now, you can't just use any song, otherwise if you put Megalovania to this, it's not gonna sound good. But the song I use, and the same song I'm going to be using for this tutorial, is His Theme. I downloaded this from a ringtone site. I don't really know, have a specific site to download it from. Pretty much just download it from wherever you like. After you get enough pictures, you get something that looks a bit like this. Now, I'm just going to let you know, I actually won't be uploading this video. If we can get this video to, let's say, 40 likes, I will upload this video on my Shorts channel, Little Timmy Shorts. I'll put a link in the description. But yeah, that's basically how you make one of these videos, and it might even hit big like mine. No promises, though. Anyway, thanks for watching, and also, only a small percentage of the people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell if you want to join the Timmy team. And leave a like if you want me to upload this video on my Shorts channel. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.